welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing a little room tour. I've gotten a lot of questions on TikTok about where I get my comforter, my blankets, my vanity, my dresser, and all that, so I thought maybe it'd be better if I just do a whole video on that. I grew up sharing a room with my mom up until I was like 14, and ever since then I feel like I love making my room into a safe space. I love decorating. It's just healing an inner child of mine. But let's get right into the video. Another thing I get questions on is if I have my own apartment and stuff, and I don't. I have like my own little back house, and this is the door to my room. What my room first looks like when you walk in. I believe my bed is from Ashley's. The bedding is from Amazon and it is reversible, which I really like. And then the comforter that I have underneath it is also from Amazon. I'm gonna try to link my Amazon storefront, and I have a whole bedroom section where you guys can shop the links. This bear is actually a gift from my boyfriend and his mom. I love it so much. Then I have this little frame of some photos of me and my boyfriend. I kind of feel like I do want to switch it out because these are the photos from when we first started dating. I believe the frame is from Target, and then I printed out the photos at Walgreens. I'm not too sure about the frame though because I did steal it from my mom's garage. And then I used a lipstick to basically cover the whole border with some lipstick marks. Right on the left side I have my nightstand. I feel like my lamp is a little bit crooked, not gonna lie. Why is it a little bit crooked? Okay, why is my lamp crooked? I don't know. Anyways, the nightstand is also from Ashley's. Lamp is from HomeGoods. I love when my room smells nice, so I have this little candle from Champagne Toast that this girl Giselle from TikTok sent to me. She's the sweetest. I love diffusers, but I love the oil-based ones because I feel like they last longer. I had it for almost a year now and it's barely up to that much. I got it from TJ Maxx, but they have a lot of different scents. I just always like to keep a water bottle next to me because I always get so thirsty at night. This coaster is also a gift that my boyfriend got me. And then in these drawers, I kind of just have like random stuff. I have this little Sweetly stocking, some little lights that I use for filming, a lotion, extra little hair clips. I keep my old promise ring in this little box. And then in here, again, it's the same thing. I kind of just have some extra candles, some body lotions. I have this little bottle that I got for my 21st. My friend gave to me. It's so cute. Here I have like some of my camera stuff, all my books in there as well. But I really want to get a cute bookcase. Honestly, don't know where I would put it in my room. I forgot to mention where I got this little throw blanket. This one is from TJ Maxx. Just adds a nice touch to the bedding. From here you can see my dresser. The picture frame I got from Ross. I keep my jewelry right here. This is from TJ Maxx. Got this perfume stand from Amazon. I have the Mod perfume Burberry Her, Valentino. I love these both. The Okayyy, which I just got into and it smells so nice. I have the mini versions of the Valentino, this little mini Gucci perfume. Anyways, we'll stop right there before I get carried away. And then these two little books I got from Amazon, but I believe you can also get them from Urban Outfitters. And then I have this little picture frame of me and my boyfriend again when we went to New York, and I have it in this little frame. I'm not sure where it's from because my cousin gave it to me. These little fake flowers are from TJ Maxx. You can't really see these because I have them pretty tucked away on the side. Little souvenirs that my boyfriend brought me from Dubai. There's another one right there too, and I think it's so cute. The dresser is from Ashley as well. I didn't see that one of my perfumes broke and it spilled on my dresser, and then it removed the paint on it, which is so annoying. I have all of my PJs. Here I have some of my sweatpants, also some of my pajamas in here that didn't fit on the top drawer. Here I have all of my gym stuff. This is my messy drawer. I'm not gonna lie, I can't even really open it and it's not as organized. My bathing suits and my bathing suit cover-ups. I have random stuff like some of my fleece leggings in here too. I have like my underwears, my bras, and my socks. I don't really want to show that though, so right over to the left is where I have my vanity. I think this is my favorite part of my room. I actually got it on OfferUp. The only thing is one of the knobs came off and I lost it. This is also from either TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I have a feeling I got this one at Marshalls. Souvenir that we got when we went to New York. I have another photo of Lorenz and I. Oh my god, I know, I'm obsessed. And I do usually reach for my pink Valentino perfume very often, so I like to keep it near me while I'm doing my makeup. And here I have some makeup brushes. Brush holder is actually from a vase that my boyfriend's mom sent me, and I basically washed it out and decided to put my brushes in here. Here I have another souvenir that my boyfriend got me from the UK. It's a little teacup, or actually his mom got it for me. My little earrings in here, or like my jewelry, my rings, sometimes when I take my jewelry off. I also have another gift that Lorenz gave me. It's basically like a rose that doesn't die out. I love this mirror, but I always feel like I need to have another mirror as well for like a close-up of my makeup. Little ears that Lorenz got me at Disney, and I just like to keep it over here because I think it looks cute. Chair that I had in my nail room, I would just kind of keep it there for when people brought in guests. I got it on Facebook Marketplace. I ended up upgrading my chairs to a couch, and then I decided to bring one of the chairs over here for my vanity. I do want to get like a better one, but this will do for now. And over here I have all my makeup. Keep it as organized as I can by category, but it's kind of hard because my vanity is not that big. And here I like to keep my skincare. And then in this one I have all my hair stuff. I have a hair clip, my Olaplex oil, some of my hair rollers. I got my hair done a while back and they gave me these little sample sizes of dry shampoo, hairspray, and texturizing spray, and it's really good, so I use that. Down here I have some random stuff like my medication. I have a Prada lipstick that I'm gonna give to my boyfriend's mom when she comes back to visit. And then, oh my god, this is a room spray of champagne toast, also from Giselle, and I love this so much. I love spraying it in my room. I'm gonna spray it right now. It helps your room smell so nice. And here I just have all my hair tools, everything for my vanity. Now for my closet, which honestly I'm not too happy with yet. So this is my closet. The lights are like automatic. They installed that when they were making my room. Here I have my hamper. I do want to get a new one because this is kind of annoying. It always falls down. Shoes down here, like my sneakers. And then more down there I have my boots, which I will show you guys in a second. Honestly, I tried to color coordinate my closet, but I never stick to it. I have all of my tops over here, jeans over here, and then I have some dresses more down there. Here I kind of just have some of my heels and sandals. We're gonna slide this over. Here I have my jackets, which, oh my god, I kind of need to get rid of some of them because I have too many. Here are some of my dresses that I was talking about. I don't have that many. And then I have some shorts. Some more of my shoes, which honestly I don't even wear some of them. Here I have some of my boots. Chandelier is from Home Depot or like a furniture store. I'm not too sure because my mom got it for me. And then right across from my bed is my TV. Stepdad installed like some things in the back so that the wires wouldn't show, which I love. It would really piss me off if you could see the wires. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and seeing my room. Follow me on all my other social media, links down below. I need to stop talking. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.